everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn idioms about success and achievement. Let's dive in. Short introduction. Idioms are expressions with meanings that are different from the literal meaning of the words. Many English idioms are used to talk about success, hard work, and achievement. Learning idioms can make your English sound more natural and interesting. Common idioms about success and achievement. Idiom, meaning. Hit the jackpot, meaning achieve great success. Reach the top, meaning become very successful. Go the extra mile, meaning make more effort than expected. Ace something, meaning do very well. Make a name for yourself, meaning become famous or respected. Climb the ladder, meaning improve position or career. Dream come true, something hoped for becomes real. Strike gold, meaning find great success or luck. Example sentences. Number 1. Maria studied hard and aced her English test. Number 2. After years of practice, Ben finally reached the top. Number 3. The team went the extra mile to finish the project. Number 4. Opening her bakery was a dream come true for Anna. Number 5. The young singer made a name for herself online. Number 6. Our business struck gold after the new product became popular. Number 7. Carlo hit the jackpot when he won the scholarship. Number 8. She climbed the ladder and became a manager. Short dialogue 1. Leia, congratulations on your promotion. Congratulations on your promotion. Mark, thank you. I work hard to climb the ladder. Thank you. I work hard to climb the ladder. Leia, your hard work really paid off. Your hard work really paid off. Short dialogue 2. Teacher, you aced your science project. You aced your science project. Student, really? Thank you, ma'am. Really? Thank you, ma'am. Teacher, yes, you went the extra mile with your presentation. Yes, you went the extra mile with your presentation. Short dialogue 3. Anna, how does it feel to open your own cafe? How does it feel to open your own cafe? Rose, it's a dream come true. It's a dream come true. Anna, I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Practice quiz. A. Match the idiom with its meaning. Meaning. Number 1. Go the extra mile. It's letter B. Work harder than expected. Number 2, reach the top, meaning become successful. Number 3, dream come true, meaning letter C, something hoped for becomes real. B. Chose the correct idiom. Number 1. Jake studied every night and blanked his exam. A. Hit the jackpot. B. Aced. C. Climbed the ladder. Answer is letter B. Jake studied every night and aced his exam. Number 2. After many years of hard work, she finally blanked. A. Reached the top. B. Struck goldfish. C. Went the extra road. Answer is letter A. After many years of hard work, she finally reached the top. Number 3. Winning the contest was a blank for Mia. A. Climb the ladder. B. Dream come true. C. Strike gold. Answer is, winning the contest was a dream come true for Mia. C. Fill in the blank. Word bank made a name for herself. Strike gold. Go the extra mile. Number 1. Tina always helps her teammates and likes to blank. Answer is, Tina always helps her teammates and likes to go the extra mile. Number 2. The writer blanked after her book became famous. Answer is, the writer made a name for herself after her book became famous. Number 3. Many inventors hope to blank with a great idea. Answer is, many inventors hope to strike gold with a great idea. So, there you go guys. This video answer about idioms about success and achievement. Thanks for watching.